The Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher in white offers full-size power in a compact design, perfect for those smaller wash loads and limited kitchen space. It's equipped with more modern attributes, such as a durable spray arm and stainless steel interior, a spacious cavity for up to 6 standard place settings, a sturdy dish rack and cup shelf, a silverware basket, user-friendly controls, and a digital display. Likewise, the performance features include 6 fully automatic wash cycles, an advanced drying technology to dry dishes using hygienic air, and an anti-flood water sensor, which detects when the water level is too high, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which can be programmed between 1 and 24 hours, an automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser, a folding rack for easier loading and unloading, and an easy clean 3-filter system to keep the unit working flawlessly. When the selected program finishes, the dishwasher automatically shuts off as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Plus, its quick connect adapter kit connects directly to the kitchen faucet and eliminates the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. So let your kitchen sparkle with hassle-free, squeaky clean dishes by doing away with the burdens of manual dishwashing.